Hi, I'm Dee and welcome to my channel. Just kidding. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. If you don't know, I am a stay-at-home full-time family caregiver to my mom, Queen G. I do weekly vlogs, I do decluttering, cleaning, cooking, pretty much a stay-at-home homemaker slash family caregiver. But with that, it's really difficult to find the time to do my nails. I love using regular nail polish. It's just really hard being a caregiver. I just, I need something that's going to dry fast because I constantly have to lift and pull my mom's body, shift it here, shift it there, stuff like that. So being a caregiver, doing your nails is so difficult. If you're a caregiver like myself, then you probably already understand, and that's probably why you have clicked on this video. It just looks really bad. I cannot wait to start getting into my nails again. One thing, if you're a caregiver like moi, then nail polish is kind of like, it's really hard to do your nails. Not unless you have half of a day or half of the evening to let your nails completely dry without smudging them, or, you know what I mean? Because let's be honest, it takes like hours and hours for it to actually dry all the way before you have to put on like something like this, latex gloves, as a caregiver. Or when you have to do laundry and house chores. It's like, how can you stop and just like make time to do your nails? Sometimes it's just impossible. Sometimes I find myself waking up super early, like around 4 in the morning, so that I can paint my nails, allow them to dry, so that by the time my mom wakes up and I have to tend to her, hopefully they're dry. And sometimes they're not dry and I have to start all over. It's so frustrating, so frustrating. And then I found these by Sally Hansel, the Miracle Gel. This has been a lifesaver. You don't need a lamp or anything like that for these. And I really like that. And I have a new product that was sent to me to try, and I cannot wait to share that with you guys. Nail Addict contact me wondering if I would be interested in trying their product. And I'm like, hello, of course. So let me share with you guys how I do my nails and prepping for Nail Addict's gel polish. And let's see how that goes. Nail Addict is a Los Angeles-based gel polish brand. They make vegan and cruelty-free and chemical-free gel polishes, a better and safer product. They have a wonderful assortment of over 100 colors to select from on their website, as well as nail accessories. Make sure to use their base and top coat when ordering. That's so important, as I know now. I've been asked to share my manicure technique, and today is your day. First, I have my tools: straight nail cutter, my favorite wooden sticks to push back cuticles, wipe away polish, and more. I absolutely love using these. Also, I have my buffing and filing and shining sponges from Sally Beauty Supply, a file, and cuticle oil and lotion is a must. And from doing research, rubbing alcohol if any sticky residue from the gel polish. I first take my straight nail cutter and begin to trim all my nails down. I used to keep my nails long and pretty, but now I have no choice but to keep them fairly short so they don't break easily while lifting. Next is to remove my nail polish. I prefer to use the one with acetone. It's so much easier and faster. Afterwards, I like to apply some cuticle oil around each of my cuticles. This will help absorb deep down and prevent cracking, especially since I wash my hands numerously and constantly throughout the day. My hands can get real dry. Then I add lotion on top of that and work it as I massage my hand and fingers. I put push back my cuticles and getting ready to file my nail into shape, and then lightly file and buff the top of my nails in order to prep them to apply and adhere the gel polish. This is when I realized I didn't order the base and top coat. Oopsie! I placed my order with Nail Addict and they immediately sent it. Alright, in between, because I had to do what I had to do, since I didn't get the base coat and the top coat, I just placed on this real light nail polish just to get me through because it looked really bad. My mom, Queen G, was like, you gonna do your nails? So I'm gonna go ahead and take off my nail polish and prep it once again, but I'm not gonna film it because I just already did. And then let's continue on. So after re-prepping my nails again, it was time to open the mini UV LED lamp. You can order one too if you don't have one like me. It's very compact and lightweight. There's a USB cable that comes with it and you can plug it into your laptop or whatever for power. Now that I have my base coat, time to apply it so the gel polish can successfully adhere to the nail. Taking my time, nice and slow strokes. The base coat didn't have a harsh odor at all. Personally, I don't even smell any odor at all. You don't have to use a lot of the product. A little goes a long way on each nail. As a caregiver and homemaker, this flexibility to do this at home and planning it just right during your schedule is a total lifesaver. I have dinner in the crock pot, my mom is resting in her bed after doing physical therapy, and I have a load of laundry finishing up in the dryer. I can't tell you how thrilled I am to know I can fold laundry right after this. I know it's the little things that makes me happy, but if you know, you know. Let me know in the comment section down below if you know what kind of a struggle keeping your nails polished. Time is everything. Speaking of time, I appreciate your time watching. Don't completely lose it if you get some on your skin or cuticles. Just simply wipe it away with what you got. See, I love these wooden sticks. Next is to cure the layer of base coat 30 to 60 seconds under the UV LED lamp. I had to cure 4 fingers at a time using their lamp, and the lamp turned on for 45 seconds, so I did them twice under the lamp to ensure that the nails are cured properly. I chose this gorgeous color called Sisters Before Misters. I selected 6 colors, but wanted to try this one first. I'm sure I'll be sharing the other color applications later in my weekly vlogs, so make sure to subscribe. Like I said, a little goes a long way, so I'm carefully applying a thin layer. I'll cure it, then apply a second thin layer of color and cure that. I'm always into reds, pinks, and dark pinks most of the time. What color shades do you prefer? I haven't done a French manicure since I was in beauty school back in the day. But I've always painted my nails. I don't think I've ever been without wearing nail polish. Now I think about it. That just seems, well, I don't know, like I'm naked or something like that. I don't know, but this is working. Look at this. Beautiful. Just one coat without the cure. I haven't cured it yet. I'm so liking this. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, now after curing the first layer, I'll do the same thing exactly as what I did, and I'll apply the second layer. Wowza, look at that, gorgeous. Now, I've heard about all the compliments of their top coat, so I can't wait. Again, slow and steady strokes. This is a little heavier, so it'd be real light. Strokes. That's pretty. I gotta admit, this was a little bit intimidating in the beginning, but now I get it, and it's not. It's rather kind of easy. I don't mind doing this at home, actually. It's actually pretty cool. Jay just walked in. He's like, what the heck are you doing? He just saw the UV light. He's like, It was funny. Anywho, so far, so good. I know I'm going to be doing voiceover as I'm doing this, but I definitely wanted to just to take the time just to, you know, just to kind of let you guys know my thoughts so far. Like I said in the beginning, it's a little intimidating, a little scary to do this at home. This is my first time ever doing gel at home, but so far, so good. I think after doing this one, it's going to be easy peasy from here on. I'm going to do this one more time. This one is hard to do on camera. One last final one. All right, last step, rubbing alcohol in case if it's any stickiness, but look at that color. Oh, wait. Any of that stickiness off, they say. I don't know. We will see. And then now put some cuticle oil on this. Hey guys, so it has been a couple of days since I've placed that gel polish on from Nail Addict, and let me tell you, look, it's still so very, very shiny. It's a beautiful color. I absolutely love it. I cannot wait to try the rest of the colors. So I am really, really happy with it. I definitely would totally recommend trying Nail Addict. It was just really simple. I like the fact that I can do this at home myself. I don't know about the LED light, if that's something I would want to purchase, like maybe moving forward doing gel polish like this at home. But I definitely like the flexibility of it. I really like how a little goes a long way when applying it. And I really like the fact that they reached out and they are giving us, you and my viewers, 45% off by using my code. And I'll link everything down in the description box. I am so rough with my hands that, you know, just using nail polish is starting to be not practical anymore in my line of work. Gel polish is just the way to go. If you don't want to go this route, at first I was a little bit intimidated using the product, but now I'm like, oh, I could totally do this. If I could do this, you could do this. Check out their website. They have just beautiful colors to select from. Again, use my code down in the description box. I'm super happy with it. So I hope you guys like this video. Give me a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one. Remember to take care of yourself. Bye. Okay, that was just too much of a high pitch. Bye. Bye. Remember to click that subscribe button.